Shoulder arthroplasty is a surgical procedure used to relieve pain and loss of joint mobility association with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other forms of arthritis. These conditions involve loss of joint cartilage and wearing of the bone, causing restricted mobility and pain. The procedure involves exposure of the shoulder joint and removal of the damaged or arthritis parts of the humerus and glenoid cavity. A channel is created in the humerus bone to hold a stem of the replacement metal prosthetic. The glenoid cavity is resurfaced with the polyethylene prosthesis and fixed onto the scapula using a polymethyl methacrylate cement. This stem is cemented onto the humerus bone using polymethyl methacrylate cement. A metal head is attached to the stem. This operation results in pain relief of the shoulder joint. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Your support means the world to me.